Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to set up your Nighthawk XR1000 Wi-Fi 6 router in just a few simple steps. Here you will get all the steps to connect the router with your internet. Let's get started. First, plug in the power adapter and turn on your router. Now connect your modem to the router's internet port using an Ethernet cable. Wait for the LED lights to turn stable. On your phone or computer, go to Wi-Fi settings. Find the network name printed on the router label. Tap and connect using the default password. Now open your browser and type routerlogin.net, press enter, and the setup page will open. Follow the on-screen instructions. Create a new admin username and password. Then set your Wi-Fi name and a strong password. Click Apply and wait for the router to restart. Now reconnect your device using your new Wi-Fi name and password.
If you are facing any issue to set up your Nighthawk XR1000 Wi-Fi 6 gaming router device, or you need our assistance to complete the configuration with extra fast internet speed, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching this video.